back to Husky's Garage. Today we're going to try to get this crankshaft out and finish disassembling this block. Unfortunately, my wife's got to work, so you won't see her much on this video. But we appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so you've seen us been stripping this thing down. We got the heads off. We've got the whole front end off, other than the timing chain and fuel pump. We're going to take that off and start taking this crankshaft off and the camshaft out and everything else, and the pistons. So hopefully they'll come out. I've been soaking it with penetrating oil. It was packed full of mud. You can see in there. Excuse me. I'm gonna get that light for you guys. I don't understand why it was. I mean, that's just mud and rocks, and I don't know how that's even happening, but. So that's what I thought was rust, but it's actually just mud. So anyway, so let's get started. Right, so I'm trying to get you guys set up so you can see. Right now, I need to get a tripod. I don't have one. But anyway, there you go. Hopefully, well, let's see the angle of that. Anybody been enjoying this weather? I don't know where you guys are from. I'm getting viewers from pretty much everywhere, and I appreciate that. There you go. But down here where I'm at, this is Alabama, and it's finally starting to get fallish. Church Day fall is coming up on the 22nd, so you know, I'm looking forward to that. But we're trying to get you guys more content. Hopefully you're enjoying it. Please like and subscribe, like I said. It helps us out tremendously. We're trying to get established again. As you know, the history of Husky's Garage. Been doing it second year. We had to restart completely over last May because the channel got locked out and lost all subscribers, all views, and everything. So anyway, so let's get this going. Figure out what size these are for the same. Take this old nasty oil pump off. Yeah, they're the same. Right out. That's weird. I've been bagging and tagging everything. I actually had oil in it. That's a good sign. Trash pile. Main caps off. There's actual oil coming out of them. Can y'all believe it? Yeah, excuse me again. I'm trying to watch my dog. Going for these. And anyway, so guys, y'all send me some comments. Tell me where you're from, where you're watching from, what you would like to see more of. Greatly appreciate it. Really enjoyed working with my wife these last couple of days. We had a great weekend together. Not all the time we get to do that kind of stuff, and I mean, definitely can't half the time. I missed something right there, didn't I? Get the for doing that kind of stuff, so whenever we can find good deals on parts and we got the money for it, we definitely go and try to get it. Slush. If you like my contact information, it should be on my home site under my YouTube channel. I got an email in there, Facebook, I think, Twitter account, or whatever they're called. So just let me know. Give me a second, guys. I gotta go see where everybody's at. Okay, guys. Get these off. Yeah, there's some grooves in there, but should be okay. I need my little hammer. Where to go? So, me and my wife been talking, and I know you normally would like machine the block, right? I called around yesterday. And it's doable. The question is, do we really want to? This one's actually pretty good right there. Any of you guys out there has ever built or rebuilt an engine yourself? Let me know what you decided to do. I'd greatly appreciate it. Blood going everywhere. Because like I said, this channel all about saving some money, and I don't have to spend $300 to rebuild, to just get this thing machined, because I mean that's what they quoted me just about, and that's without the head. That's just the block. Then I'm not going to. That bearing came out, didn't it? Thoughts are is I want to see how bad this block is after we can get everything out, and if we can just clean it up ourselves. I know they check the cracks and everything, so and the fun part begins. So sticky. I want to say y'all will see my dog. Well, all 4 of my dogs actually. We have one full-blooded Siberian Husky, a German Shepherd Husky mix. They call Jerminskis. She's solid white. That's Remy. The full-blood is Kimber, which is we go by Boss Dog. She's in most of the videos. A Great Pyrenees named Sarge, and then the son of the Great Pyrenees in the full-blood on accident, but we kept him. Is Brew, and he's the big boy. He looks like a big husky. He's got one brown eye, one blue eye. If you don't like dogs, I'm sorry, but they are part of this channel, hence why the name is Husky's Garage. But I just ask that y'all guys would give us a little bit, you know, let us grow on you. It's all about family, fun, and trying to be on a budget doing this kind of stuff. So we appreciate you watching. We appreciate the new subscribers we've got. We do occasionally upload some shorts of our pups, just having fun. They're fun to watch, so if you like that kind of stuff, please, you know, go watch it. Give me a thumbs up. We got Christmas coming right around the corner. Thanksgiving. At least here in America. I don't know except where everybody's from or what y'all do. But I'm a big fall person. I love Christmas, and I used to decorate. If you ever seen the movie Christmas Vacation with Chevy Chase, that was me. Which is really funny, because I am very much terrified of heights. Yep. So I'm gonna get this out and fast forward. I don't want to bore you guys. I'll get these bolts off. We'll be back in a minute, alright? Hey guys, as you can see, I've got it undone. We're about to lift it out the first time, and let me tell you, that was a pain in the butt. The good news is the motor does rotate slightly. It probably would the whole way if I had an actual way to do it. The bad news is I see some drill holes in this, but I also see some rusted holes in the crankshaft, so it's probably going to have to be replaced. Which is fine. What I'm more worried about is the block and make sure there's no cracks in it or nothing. So let's get this thing out of here. Nope, it's still stuck. Here she goes. Gosh. That was a spider. Don't tell my wife that was happening. So, y'all didn't miss much. They don't look too bad. The pistons are moving slightly. I'm not really worried about damaging them. They're all getting replaced anyway. That don't look good. I can be buffed out or something. I'll show you what I'm talking about. If you can see it, see those grooves? It's not blocked, but it's right here. So we'll work on it. All right. So I'm working on these now. We'll be back with you shortly. All right, everybody. So we managed to get the crank out and everything. Got this one and this one. Center walls don't look too bad. Most of that's dirt and mud. We got this one and this one. I think they can be honed out. These 4, these 2 and these 2 are stuck. I mean, they're moving, but they're not moving enough. So before I damage anything, we're just gonna spray it down with some lubrication oil, which using this Supertech lubricant. No, they're not sponsored. They don't sponsor us either, but I ran out of the high dollar stuff and this was cheap, so we got it. We'll see if it works. If this don't work, I might spray some ATF down there and let it sit on it for a couple hours or so. It should move it. But what I can tell, everything looks alright. I did see a little bitty chip right there. If you can see it. I'm going to spray down that camshaft, maybe help it get out too. But, dude, this stuff's so cheap that, well, I mean, it's not the cheapest, but it is cheap. That you can pretty much go to town with it without worrying about it. So, most of that is not rust, it's like compacted dirt. I know down here in Alabama we get, I don't know what y'all call them up there, but down here we call them dirt divers. And they will get up in these engine blocks. And what they like to do is pack mud down. And they'll haul them out and have babies in them. So, I used to work pest control, so you'd find these things, if you tear the nest up, make sure you do it when they're not in there, because if you don't, you're going to regret it. But in the wintertime, they'll be gone or dead, and you can tear the nest down, you'll find dead cockroaches and spiders. It's actually what they would feed their babies when they would hatch. So, a little fun fact for you guys. Anyway, so that's probably going to do it for this episode. We're going to let this sit. We'll let you guys know how it turns out. Appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe. Like I said, we're trying to get more content off more often. And if you want to see anything in the future, please send me some suggestions. Yeah, just wash it right off. If you leave me a comment or something, I will be sure to get back with you as soon as I can. So we appreciate you guys. I pray and ask that God watches over each and every one of you, blesses you, and protects you as you go throughout your week, and blesses your family. We'll see you later. Thanks. God bless.